One more thing I want to add about the watch menu that's really cool. Let's say we wanted to put a watch on, let's go back to the cells object. Let's say we want to put a watch on this one right here, which is B2, technically. So you click on that, you can right click and add to watch menu. You can go here and add to watch. Either way, that's fine. I just want to watch it. So now we're looking at that and what it's going to have a value of, and we're also looking at the variable high. So some really neat things that you can do. Let's go ahead and let's go into this one. Let's hit F8 to debug. F8. Now look at this expandable thing here that's going on with the expression on cells 1, 2, which we know is B2, which we know is 44, and sure enough the value is 44. So it says it's a variant or an object in a range and blah blah blah, the location. But if we expand this collapsible text or plus sign, look at all the cool wealth of information that we can check out. In fact, I'm going to expand this a little bit here and pull up my watch menu a little bit. Look at all this stuff we can find out. So the cells 1, 2, basically the range called B2. So here's all the properties and what they currently are, and if they change, what they might be. So the cells.add indent is false. The cells.allow edit equals true. The cells.application active printer is the HP2EE18 blah blah blah. So that's crazy. I mean, if you wanted to reference that, you just go cells 1, 2 dot application dot active printer, and then that would be the value. So I mean, you can dig in here and see all the different attributes of this particular range, which is B2. And I don't know, active workbook. I wonder if there's a dot name here, but we could see what all that stuff is. Dot name is variables workbook dot xlsm. So all the different fun things you can expand and collapse and take a look at. These are all attributes of that one cell. So there was one more thing I wanted to show you. Where did it run off to? Okay, here it is. There's even a dot left property, and it says it's 48.75 pixels to the left of, I guess, the edge or the border here. So all kinds of cool stuff here. Merge cells is false. That would be true if you had merged that cell with some other cell. Oh my gosh, all these different facets of that cell. And as it changes throughout your macro as you're debugging, or if you're running it, it'll just update this and show you all the different facets of that cell or that thing that you're watching in the watch menu. Very cool.